Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day, I think it's 11. We're now officially, properly fermented in the double-digit vlogs. Yep. Yesterday was quite an interesting day. My legs feel so much better. I feel so much better. Continuing on from yesterday, we've got something very interesting planned today. Something very different, something I've never done before. So you'll find out what that is very shortly. But currently heading to a tech store here, and I want a new micro SD card for the camera. This one's slow, and two, yesterday when I was filming it ran out of storage, and I feel like I'm going to be recording for a long time today. So I want as much storage as I can possibly get my hands on. Anything to add? Never seen laptops in shrink wrap like that before. That's new. They've got the slow ones and 64 gig. You can get a screen on JBL earbuds. Right, we're going to go into the cell phone store. This is like probably the equivalent of like Curry's out here, or just a normal cell phone shop, but it tends to be an authorised retailer on stuff, so let's have a look. Micro SD? SD? Yeah. Big storage and fast.
Beside
Micro, small. SD card acquired. Next order of business is maybe a drink and some food, just before the exciting thing that we're up for. How do we always end up in a fast food place? That's new. KFC's got a vibrating thing. Just had us lunch, breakfast thing, whatever you could call it. We're gonna go back to the hotel real quick, grab a couple bits, and then we're gonna set off. Taxi's booked. Well, now it's booked. We're gonna get in the taxi, we're gonna head to the destination. Gonna be very interesting. Yep. Hello. Had the taxi drop us off about 3 minutes from where we actually needed to be, because Google Maps is just awful, and so is that Grab Maps. We're nearly coming up on where we want to be. Like Alfie just said, this is like the most rural place we've been yet. I feel like I'm literally a local right now. I'm not, but I feel like it. As we're coming up to the place, we might as well tell you what we're doing. Alfie?
Cooking. With 2 O's, not you.
So yeah, we're doing a cooking class, a Vietnamese cooking class, so what better way to show you the local cuisine than to get taught how to cook it and make it, and most likely fail doing so. Sounds like a good time to me. Hello, here for the cooking class.
Yes. What's your name, please?
Owen.
Owen.
And this is Alfie.
Are you brother?
No, just friends.
Friend? No, you look your face.
Thank you. Want to make you aware that the video doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm just cutting bits and bats of me cooking. So if you want the full unedited version of this video, down in the description below, I'll literally have all the clips together. But for the sake of keeping the video short and sweet, and also somewhat entertaining, I've cut a good portion of it out. What I did also find is that you can't really hear what the instructor's saying on camera. But yeah, I'll drop the recipe in the description, and I'll also drop the full length videos. They might not be up straight away. It might take me a while because the internet's a bit slow in this hotel, but I'll try to get these clips uploaded as soon as I can.
Turn down first, stronger, yes, one of it.
Oh wow, it's opening up.
And use the chopsticks. You can use the long chopstick. Stir, stir, stir. When you feel the smell, it's good, and then you put everything on the back.
Try pick a seat up with the chopsticks.
I'm probably not. Put that up.
And yeah, when you need to remember turn it, otherwise it's burnt. Turn it, yeah. And the smell.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
And then chop.
You doing that? I'm sweating already, you.
Because I was stood right next to the fire.
Right, so 3 of these, yeah?
Very much like a fish.
Very fish. Yeah, it's a fish shop. Is that good smell?
Yeah, that's
It's too strong. We have another cup. Sugar already?
Not yet.
So now I need the very strong man. Help me sweeten it.
It's a bodge, there's like splits in that and everything.
Wow,
I've just,
You can put on the plate.
that's it.
I don't know. I should do
How
it.
does it cook it?
I'm good at this.
Get them on the one bowl.
Struggling with the chopsticks here. One.
Put it all to one side.
I'm just gonna spread it out like a pizza. This is going far better than it should be going. Is this okay?
Yes.
Look at that, perfect, see?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Right, go on Alfie, do your worst.
Shallots and shallots.
That's it, cheers, mate. This is
Shallots.
So that was some food for thought, what do you think?
Yeah, we're alright, man. Not as good as proper English food, though.
No, definitely
Fish
not.
and chips.
Was definitely a weird experience, but fun, I enjoyed it. I think I learned quite a bit.